Hi guys, in this episode I'll be showing you, I'll be trying how to make slime, and in this episode Easter ingredients will be a little Minecraft sword. Just for fun. And I couldn't find my chopstick. So the first ingredient that I'm using is a 3-in-1 Ultimate Spider-Man Berry Blast thing. And so, yeah, I prefer you use this. This is old shampoo, so it's kind of chunky. Not chunky, but it's kind of very thick. Is the word. Okay, so now I'm gonna just. That hurts. This is all shampoo. Oh, that's chunky. Oh, look how nice this color is. I really like this color. It's like this gold, but it's not like that in the camera for some reason. I'm just gonna mix it. Because see how chunky this is? Not chunky. Look how thick that is. Oh, Fifi, shush. Very thick. Has a nice consistency. And only sticks to your hand a little. And now I'm going to be using some Pantene. Turn, Michael.
Wow, me doing.
Nothing. Now you're going to use some Pantene straightening shampoo. I'm using the pink L'Oreal. Not Pantene. L'Oreal Paris. Very easy. And Michael, quiet. I need your sword, sorry. It's just what oh, very already slimy. Okay, now I'm just gonna stir this up. Well, instead of using that, let me just use a cotton swab. Oh, look at this consistency. So very thick. Stir till I think it's all dissolved. Each other. Oh, so cool. And this works with any 3-in-1, but not like anything else. But I haven't tried it with Swave Kids because I'm having a Swave Kid. What was that? Jeez, I have a weird dog. She's like, I need to get out because she's with her puppy right now. Shush. He's trying to get out. No. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like peach. So yeah, that's how to make slime, I guess. Ooh, I want to try it with some oil-free acne wash. Okay, add some oil-free acne wash. Now I'm just gonna stir again. Oh, Fifi, shush. She's so desperate to get out of her crib. Look at this. That looks awesome. Oh, I can't wait to mess around with it. Some LPS might get slime with this. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this. I did. And I can't wait to play with it and do whatever I can with it. So, yeah. Hope you enjoy. Bye.